Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to increase the numbers of processor on your PC. So for you to do that, you have to type this command on your computer, which is window plus R. You can use your keyboard. Once you tap that, another page is going to pop up at the left corner, at the left down corner of your screen. Then you input this command mxconfig. Okay, mxconfig. You can see it right here, mxconfig. Once you type it, then you tap on OK. Then another page is going to be generated, which is system configuration. Then you tap on the boot. Then you come down here and tap and click on advanced option. Then right here, you're going to check this particular box right in front of the numbers of processor. Once you check it, then you can come right here and tap on this table. Then you increase the number to the highest numbers you have in the box. So if I need video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.